Hello Scratchers, so welcome back to another episode of the Platformer series. So let's begin. So today we are making more levels in this Platformer series. Now I have forgotten the layout of this thing, and there's a couple of bugs. I don't know if that's me or the game, but they will be fixed next episode. So today we can add more levels to this wonderful game. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is let's just have a quick test to make sure everything is working. Now there is sometimes bugs like this. I don't know if it's just Scratch for me or for you, but there are some bugs. So just press it again and it will zoom itself. So we can move normally. And remember the shoot feature we made in a previous episode. We can jump and it'll restart. There was a bug that I can't press anymore. Like there's a couple bugs in this game. It's kind of weird, but just jump. And then, yeah, I know we can't move here, right? It's a big bug. I don't know how. I must have done something with the code, but I'll check it later and fix it. Yeah. So let's actually just get started, you know? So I don't really know if it's go to player, and we're going to start in this forever loop. So you want to bring out a if-then statement. But first, let's actually clear this up because it's starting to get a bit annoying. If our level is equal to, if our level is equal to 3, then we want to do something. But how do we know it's 3? But before we do any of that, we gotta fix this bug. This is the bug where we are, and it's a pretty good bug too. So let's see it. Everything is normal. We jump across, and then we can't move. So what is going on? Well, I mean, we could check. Well, this is where we have our issue. If rocket ship equals true and it equals false. So how about you bring this code out? Let's see if that makes any difference. So, I'm going to do it. Right, so let's do this again. And let's see if it makes a difference. And, guys, I'm really sorry. It is a big bug. We have a bug. We have a legal bug up our hands here. What? What is going on? Seriously, what is going on? Alright? So we have a big bug. Alright, you can say, I think it might be working for you guys, but I don't know if it's working for me. So, yeah. Okay, I'm going to do it one more time. Oh, this game can be rage quitting. I never intimidated this to be a rage game. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? I'm about to do a button. Sorry. Alright? Oh my god! Why can this? I hate when there's bugs. I don't know what. And we still can't move. Like, what the hell? Alright? You can say this is a big bug that we need to fix immediately. Alright? But wait. Right. Let's first do if level equals 3. Now we want to do broadcast level to hide. Alright? Level to hide. And press OK. So you want to get a when I will save level to hide. We want to do something with this, but I need to fix this bug, but I don't know how. Like, all this code is jumbled up and I don't know where to go, but I don't see any problems with the code. Really? Wait, are you serious? Oh, okay, sorry. This is starting to get a bit confusing. You know what? Actually, there's no issue with this. I think it's actually the game. Maybe it's just not working. Alright, so guys, if it's not working, I recommend you save it click out and just go back in it, because maybe it's just a bug with the game, because that always happens in Scratch, alright? Sorry this hasn't been the normal episode you're looking for, but I'll get back into it later. I might sound a bit sick, because I am. Well, not that sick, but I'm still a bit sick with the cold. So yeah. Right, so anyways, let's see if that fixed or did not fix. So, let's play. Is it a bug or is it a... Alright, I hate some... Okay, this game's pretty raging. This was never Alright, sorry. So I'm acting like this. I don't know why I'm acting like this. I don't feel like I'm actually doing a tutorial. Oh, I hate this! This is frustrating! Guys, skip to the chase, alright? Skip to the chase, alright? Do not watch me suffer. It's very annoying. Are you serious? Well, we are going to have to do something about that. We can't leave it. It's a bug. But I don't get this. It's not my code. Alright. Alright, so actually, let's get back into this. So level 2 hide, you want to do scripts here that hides your other level. So if you have obstacles in that level, you'll probably want to bring this into the obstacles. So put this in obstacles and then hide it with a hide block by going into here and pressing hide. Now I can't actually do this, but there was another way. Don't get too worried, guys, because I got backup, alright? I'm going to go to the previous episode, episode 8. Well, that actually wasn't previous, but you know. Because this is just not working, alright? I don't know if it's a weird bug. I don't know if some of the code I did, it doesn't work in Scratch anymore, which sounds weirder. Platformer episode 8. Can I find it? Or am I will be switched? Which is going to do episode 7. Because I don't know what happened to episode 9. Did it corrupt or something? You guys have to tell me. But we are back. And why are the Alright, so let's see. Alright, guys. I'll be honest with you. This is looking more promising. This is looking actually more promising, alright? Yep, I think I'm happy with this code. I think we can work with this here. Alright? So, let's just change the speed. Go to your... If you have the same problems, then go here. But if you don't, then you have to worry. Go to this obstacle spot and change Y by -1 instead. Alright. Press that play button and let's see. Oh, moving platforms. Yes. Alright. Great. But let's make some more levels. So, we got to define if we are at a new level. So go into the control section and get an if-then statement. We want to check if we want to get a AND operator or whatever it's called. And we want to get 2 bigger operators here. And the variable, and on the left side, we are going to have, one will be level and one will be exposition, right? And I made a mistake here. This is supposed to be equal. Sorry. That was a mistake by me. Delete that. Put this one new in. Alright, so exposition bigger than 50. Alright, let's get that out before it calls troubles. Alright, so we're gonna see what our exposition would be. So go play. We do not want to. Oh no! I think it fluctuate. Sometimes stuff can get fluctuating in life. Alright, I don't want the moving platform. Are you kidding me? Alright, so we're gonna go. This is why. Can we even shoot? Oh yeah, we do have shoot features. I'm just gonna sprint through. Alright, so you see that kind of sucks, alright? So let's get rid of everything. But we're gonna see what level we are, obviously, because, you know. So, but how do we check that? Well, go into the obstacle spot and we want to basically get rid of all of this, alright? We will put it back later, don't you worry. Alright, let's do the exact same thing. Now we just want to be, no! Got it one. Don't worry, we can do it again. Here. So, you want to pause this with the add-on I got. And you want to check the coordinates here. Wait, of our player, so 195, 18. So if X position is bigger than 195, then that is good. But I want to just make sure this is working. Just put a say hello in that position. Alright, so we want to restart our game. Unpause this. And let's see. So wait for this moving platform because we don't want to take it. And let's see. Yes, it does work. Wait, are we saying hello? Oh, yeah. I forgot to do level. It is level equals 2. So let's bug. 1 minute. Alright, so let's see this in action. 3, 2, 1. There it is. Yeah. There it is. Yeah. There it is. Yeah. Alright, we got it. Alright, but let's trash this, say hello, alright? So the first thing you want to do is you want to get a variable. You want to set level to 3, alright, to define our new level. Oh, one button, sorry. Set level to 3. Then we actually want to go to the start, basically. So go to over here, alright. After that, delete this and get a new go to XY. Now the moment of truth. Will it work? Press that green flag, maybe again. Let's see. So we're going to go past all of this. Alright, this is where it should... Okay, guys, I freaking did work, but I went too fast. I'm not doing that again, alright? Why does it bring me back to the home screen? Oh, because I touched lava. Oh, no. Alright, so, to prevent that, get a broadcast, and you want to broadcast hide or level to hide. Alright, now some pressure. But first you want to clean up the blocks. So first of all, go into obstacles. You want to get a when I receive level 2 hide, you want to hide. Yes. Now you want to bring this to your other obstacles here. Scroll down, you can backpack it. You want to go to the lava. You want it to go to the moving platforms, of course. Alright, time to see if everything went well. Click that green flag and click play. Or we could take a moving platform any day. But something went wrong. Huh. Wait, why is there lava here? When you hit it? Don't tell me it's a forever show. Why is all the coconuts where it's supposed to be? Alright, we're gonna fix some stuff. Oh, right. Sorry. I don't know why it's not hiding when we say hide. Wait, do I got the lava? Alright, how about we get rid of the lava? Sorry. You guys are gonna really mad at me. But we had to do that. Alright? Sometimes coding, it's not about the lava, just about the obstacles coming away. Oh, this is looking good. Now this is what the doctor ordered. We have got it. Congratulations. We have got a level 3 new level coming up. Yes. But we forgot to hide the pads. I am dumb, I know. But don't you worry, because we got reinforcements. Yep, you heard me right. Reinforcements are coming up, so you guys don't have to worry. So, backpack this when I receive to the pads. Yeah, lots of code is disconnected, but we will fix that later. Now all we just do is one more test before we can actually do this stuff. And yes, it's completely cleared out, and our cat is waiting as we can still shoot. Minutes? Seems pretty good. 16, this is going to be a good video. Alright. Anyways, let's get back to it. So, now we can absolutely floor out this level. First of all, let's get a new background. You may be right. So get not in here. Go to your stage and go to code. You want to get a when I receive level 2 height. You want to go to backdrops and you want to see backdrop 3, but we don't want that. We want to just choose a backdrop. You can import one or you can make your own, but I'm going to do this. Let's do blue sky. And let's delete this backdrop, whatever it is. It's kind of stupid. And when I receive level 2 hide, we will switch the backdrop over. So let's see. Will it work? Or did I put stuff in a forever loop and it won't work? No, I didn't. And that looks pretty good. We have got success. But now, now you can add more elements to this awesome game and more elements into this, but unfortunately this will be the end of this tutorial episode 10. And also one quick thing, we're going to name this episode 10 too, because, Alright, well, before we go though, we have to do something. Let's fix some code up and have one more playtest. The first thing we need to do, we need to fix all of this code where it belongs. So we're going to put all of this back. Right, put all of the code where it needs to go back to where it belongs. Alright, so now let's do one final playtest. The obstacles should kill us. The your dead scene should not overlap it, but who cares? That will be fixed. And we need to jump and get in here. Nope. This is annoying, isn't it? I probably should start it a bit earlier, But it is perfect what it is, alright? Okay, now it will be the end of this episode. But make sure you move something around and press save now, making sure all your project is saved for episode 11. Alright, it's been a fun coming back to this series. I hope you liked this video, and goodbye, Scratchers!